Taco night called. It desperately wants an update. These lime chicken soft tacos will fit the bill. They don't take much effort, but they'll take your taste buds from meh to my oh my. Let's get started by cooking up this tasty chicken. Heat a saucepan over medium-high heat and add 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast that's been cut into small cubes. Sauté and cook for about 20 minutes. Then add in 1/8 cup of red wine vinegar, 1/2 of a lime juiced, about 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of white sugar, just to cut the acidity. Continue adding 1/2 teaspoon of both salt and ground black pepper, 2 chopped green onions, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Give this a stir and allow the liquid to simmer for an extra 10 minutes. While that simmers, heat a cast iron skillet over medium heat. Place a 6-inch flour or corn tortilla in the heated pan, allowing it to warm and lightly char. Then turn it over to heat on the other side. This should only take about 30 to 60 seconds total. Repeat this with an additional 9 tortillas. Our chicken looks great, so let's spoon it evenly into the warm tortillas and place them on a platter. Garnish with shredded lettuce, shredded Monterey Jack cheese, and fresh salsa. You'll need about 1/4 cup of each. You can finish these up however you like, some fresh cilantro, sour cream, or maybe just another squeeze of lime. However you top them, they're gonna be great.